galette de Roi avec pomme. With the apples, we are going to make galette or the pie. In other words, this is maida, that is farine. Then we are taking cinnamon powder. I have already grinded the cinnamon. Here we are going to take 100 grams of Amul butter, salted butter. Then maida we have taken. So let's just get started. My shelf marble is thoroughly clean. I'm going to make the dough, mix flour and the butter on the shelf itself. Okay, so let's get started. We need some sugar to taste and little bit of salt. So this is salt. All right, so let's get started with everything. So we have everything intact here, and then we will also use some lime zest. Okay, I will show you how to use it, and we will use some honey. All right, so here this is the butter and this is 500 grams of farine, that is your maida. So how are we going to make it? We're going to break this butter. It is winters right now, hiver, c'est hiver, so du beurre et foie. On va mélanger tout. We are going to mix all, and the butter is frozen kind of, so it will take some time. So you have to mix it slowly and then I will show you how we mix the breadcrumbs. We are going to try and mix it like that, so the farine actually gets infused thoroughly. As far as I remember, the sugar, for sugar I will use little bit of sugar and salt in this. So let me add little bit of sugar and salt. It's been quite a while ever since I made the pie, so I'm going to take little bit of salt, about 1/4 teaspoon, but the sugar I'm taking roughly, this much sugar, about 1.5 teaspoon of sugar, but almost 1 baking powder. So roughly we are going to use about a teaspoon of baking powder here, 1 teaspoon, little bit more, the whole teaspoon baking powder, so that it gets baked properly. I'm going to mix the baking powder, glass of milk. Alright, now this is the milk, so I'm going to put little milk, petit a petit, so you can just knit the dough accordingly. So I will not show you how to knit the dough, so accordingly, not much of milk, but milk, and the flour is good to go. The more you twist and turn, the better the flour is good and the knitting is nice. So make sure that your flour is soft and good to go. So I'm going to leave it, applying little bit of ghee on top and leaving it aside. So here is the parat. I am going to keep it and I am going to tap it with this napkin and keep it for to peel and grate the apples. So you're going to just peel and grate the apples. Let me show you. This is the container for making pie or the galette, so that you can easily remove it once it is baked. But today I am going to show you how to microwave it. So this I have roughly taken off the cover of the apples, and this is again unlocking this thing, microwave safe it is. This thing is microwave safe, or you can also use the this is also microwave safe dish. You can also bake in it, but since I have specifically got this thing pastry maker, this for the galette, I'm going to use this for the microwave. So let's just bake it in microwave. For oven that I have, you can use this. I have taken the grinded apples in a pan. Now I'm going to pour about 1 teaspoon of refined oil. Basically I want to use butter only, so roughly you're going to take 1/4 slice of butter, and we are going to mix the roast the apples in it. So I'm taking the Amul butter. You will just see, because ideally in butter, but the thing is that if I put directly the butter, then it will burn. So now we will add the paste. To this I'm going to simmer and add the cinnamon powder to this. Right. So according to taste, I'm taking little bit of pinch of cinnamon powder, not too much. The flavor doesn't look nice. So I'm going to add little bit of honey to this, and little bit of honey just for flavor. I'm adding little bit of honey, and you can also add sugar to this afterwards. I'm adding little bit of sugar after. Roast the apples, and I've just added about 1 teaspoon of honey to this. Before adding, you can just, we will add about 5 teaspoons of sugar to make it sweet. So first you will roast it in the butter. I'm adding more butter. I don't have time, so I just am in a hurry today. So I'm just going to roast it. It should turn golden color. The apples should leave, the water should evaporate, and then we know, that is how we know. And then I have added about half a teaspoon of honey. So accordingly you will flavor the apples. So I'm just roasting it, and after, see what a beautiful flavor is coming. To this I will add the lemon zest. So for this I'm going to just grate the lime, Pranita, in this. Okay, just see little bit of lemon zest like this. This is the zest that above this cover of the lime. Okay, little bit of it. So I will add little bit of sugar, about 5 teaspoons as I already told you. Alright, now this is about 5 teaspoons of sugar. I'm only using 3 because I've only used about 2 apples. I'm not making a big galette. C'est une petite galette. Donc on va utiliser un peu de sucre, et je n'ai besoin de beaucoup de sucre. I'm not willing to have loads of sugar. I don't like it too much sweeter, but if you want I will add a little more. So here we will add more sugar. So this is precisely 5 teaspoons of sugar in 2 apples, and I'm going to mix it. So I think this much is fine. Rest of the cooking can happen in the oven itself. So today now I am going to cool it for some time and then add it in the pastry. You will cool it and add. Since I don't have time, I'm just going to take little bit of it, cool it, and then add. So now we are taking some butter and we will brush it all over the corners. This is the dough. I have taken out a petit morceau, little part of it, and then we are going to roll it on one side like this. We are not going to bring the rolling pin back, just one side. So since I can't roll it, you will roll it outwards. You will not bring it inside. Okay. So now this is thin crust that I've made. I'm going to poke it a little bit so that the air can pass through and help in baking process. So this is how you can see. And now what I'm going to do, I'll get the tin. So now here, this I'm going to rest in this particular dish. If you want to make it a like pie, then you can make it a bigger one. I'm making a galette, so I am not going to make it on the edges. Had it been a pie, I would take the edges of it. So now we will fold the sides after putting the filling. Here, this apple is cool now. I kept it in the freezer to cool it, but you can keep it otherwise also. So I am adding the filling to this. For the galette, you are just going to keep maybe slices of apple, but I like to make the strudel like in the pie. So if you are making apple pie, you will fill whole of it, and then you will close it from the top. But for the galette, as you know, galette de roi, when the three kings visit Lord Jesus, then galette de roi is prepared on the 6th of January as per the customs. So you're going to fold it from the edges and 10 minutes baking in the oven. This is apple pie or galette. Galette is open, but we have put a cover on it. I'll just show you. So this is your apple galette or apple pie. Really, really yummy. With the apples, I'm clicking pictures for you. So it is baked now. So now I'm going to take off the lid. Ouch, it is so damn hot. I'm going to tilt it upside down like this. So here you can see it has baked nicely. I'm going to slice it with the knife. So you can just check how beautifully and soft it is. You don't have to burn it, and I have just baked it. It is very crispy, and I have just baked it for roughly 60 minutes max, or maybe 40 minutes. So depending on the color, you just have to see little brown and then you take it out. Wow, this is really yummy. And see, the borders are so nice. I'm just going to get a plate and place it. So just see how beautifully the piece has come out. You can check. I'll just click a picture of this. Just a minute. Now again, I will just keep it on the plate. So this is your beautiful apple pie. You can check from inside how beautifully it has got made, and we can also check the tray in that we have made it. So this is your apple pie, and it is very soft. If you see, this is so soft, and as well it is crispy also. You can check the whole flour has been cooked properly. I can't wait to dig in. So do try your apple galette or apple pie at home, and you don't have to pay 150 or 90 rupees per slice. And the cinnamon, the fragrance is awesome. This is your special slice, and enjoy your apple pie. Look at the slicey and the gooey slice, so yummy. So I will dig in. So this is your apple pie, and do try making your apple pie at home. I will just click a nice picture for you to check. Just amazing pie it is. Do try and subscribe to my channel, and do try making your apple pie, delicious apple pie, and do try. So this is the apple pie. You can check the slice. So very yummy. Do try and enjoy good galette de roi chez vous at your place. Bonne journée. Merci beaucoup. Il faut inscrire. Merci.